Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix YouTube play button not working. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Start by opening YouTube app and make sure it is updated to latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to home page of the app where you can browse through different content. Here, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right and your profile page will open up. Here, tap on the gear icon at the top right and your account settings will open up. Here, you will see different options, but you have to scroll down until you find accessibility option. Once found, tap on it and then make sure to toggle it on. If it is off, then make sure to on this. And that's it now. If you go back and play any video from your home page, you will that the play button is working. So that's basically how you can fix YouTube play button not working. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.